Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add the voice search shortcut to your Chrome toolbar on mobile. It's a simple update that makes searching with your voice faster and easier right from your browser. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome app on your mobile device. Once you're inside Chrome, look up at the top corner and tap the three dots. This is the menu button. From there, select Settings. Now, inside Settings, scroll down until you find Toolbar Shortcut. Tap on it. You'll see a toggle switch at the top of that screen. Make sure to turn it on so the shortcut option becomes active. Next, Chrome will ask you what type of shortcut you want to show on your toolbar. Several choices may appear, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on the voice search option. Simply choose voice search. After selecting it, go back to your main browser screen. You'll notice a small microphone icon added to your toolbar. That's your new voice search shortcut. Tap it anytime when you want to search something using your voice. No typing required.